My dear students, I welcome you all to my educational channel, the name of which is Priyanka Datta. In this educational channel, you will find video presentations on English language and literature of school level and college level. Apart from these, you will find video presentations related to competitive examinations. Now, today's assignment is video presentation number 2 on competitive examinations. Today I am going to make an approach to essay writing. Of course, I am trying to do it through an exercise. Now, the topic of today's essay, which I am going to discuss, is lighter bags for primary school children. Now, this question came in the WBCS main examination of 2018. I am just going to show you how to approach this essay from the standpoint of the discussion made by me in the previous video presentation. Now, of course, you must give a heading, then you must give an introduction. The introduction from my perspective should be like this. The children of today are the citizens of tomorrow, so proper care should be paid to their upbringing. This upbringing should occur at different levels: physical, social, psychological, moral, ethical, and whatnot. Apart from the family members and society, school plays a vital role in this kind of development. Now we shall move to the next slide to see the remaining part of the essay. Now, the school can contribute to the development of children in different ways. Some of these ways are material and some others are psychological. The efforts of making the bags lighter for the children of primary level belongs to the material aspect. Now, I have made a separate heading. The heading is Concept of Lighter Bags. I have found that the title of the essay which I am approaching here is tricky because there is a need to explain the concept of lighter bags. So I have included it as a point. So I am going to clarify this heading, or rather this subheading. Now, the concept of lighter bags has to be explained. If the material with which bags are made are of refined quality, the weight of bags is expected to decrease in comparison to the bags made of material of normal quality. However, it is not the focus of the title of the essay. Here, the word bags refers to the books which the bags are supposed to hold. Thus, it is a case of literary language where a container is mentioned and the thing contained is meant. We shall move to the next slide. There is a subheading: Methods of making bags lighter. Now the methods in which bags can be made lighter have to be explored. The first method is obviously reducing the number of books. Now, the number of books can be reduced in two ways. Full stop. Make a necessary correction here. If the number of subjects specified for a particular class is reduced, the number of books will obviously be reduced. Let us move to the next slide. Again, if subjects for which more than one book is recommended is taught with those books which are essential, the purpose can be served as well. Of course, In the second method, the acquaintance of the students with the subjects has not to be sacrificed. The second method is reducing the number of pages. We shall once again move to the next slide. If a few chapters of the books are sacrificed for reducing the number of pages, the purpose is served in some way or the other. However, it is not at all acceptable. So, a thorough revision of the book has to be made and unnecessary materials have to be deleted. This seems, however, an acceptable way out. The same thing can also be achieved by bringing about a change in the mode of presentation of the material. To be precise, tables, charts, etc. can be used in place of elaborate description. It will not only make the presentation attractive but also will decrease the number of pages in the book. Using books having pages of good quality will also decrease both the size and weight of books. We have seen that a book printed in India costs less than the same book printed abroad. The sentence is not complete, but it involves the reduction of weight and making the book more user-friendly. However, as has been mentioned just now, in this process, the cost of books will increase. So, for the greater interest, this method has to be thought upon deeply before implementation. Finally, one must keep in mind that the weight of bags can be decreased in a unique way too. Now we shall move to the next slide to know the unique way. If the concept of books is kept aside altogether and Kindle and tablets are introduced, it will decrease the weight of the bags of the school children to a significant amount. However, it has to be kept in mind that digital learning is sure to come in vogue in future. So, this step can be followed. Now we shall move to the next slide as well as to the next subheading. The next subheading is reasons for making the bags of primary school children lighter. If the bags of primary school children are made lighter by decreasing the total weight of the books, the pressure of the bags on their tender, there is a printing mistake. You must write here shoulder. On their tender shoulder will decrease, so they will feel less exhausted in carrying their bags to school and back home from school. We shall move to the next slide. It will indirectly add to their energy level and will smoothen their learning process. If the number of books included in the syllabus is reduced or some of the chapters are deleted from the books, it will add to the mental freshness of the students. Diderot points out in his poem Sonnet to the Pupils of Hindu College that a fresh mind helps in the learning of the students, though this is not the sense in which he has referred to fresh mind. If the quality of the books is improved by providing papers of high quality, the cost of the books will increase. It will add to the expense of the government or of the guardians, whoever purchases it. However, there still exists the risk of the children lagging behind in the competitive world because acquisition of knowledge is here looked upon. Make here correction as essential. If Kindle and tablets are introduced, there is once again a mistake. As substitutes of books, the weight of bags will come down significantly. Moreover, the syllabus makers will not have to make any compromise with the contents of the books. The economic pressure on the government or on the guardians will be reduced to a great amount as well, because once these devices are purchased, these will serve the turn of the students for years and years. Isaac Asimov, in his prose piece The Fun They Had, written in the manner of a science fiction, anticipates of a time when e-learning will become the only mode of learning. Let us move to the next slide. So, if the government in general and the education department in particular switches to this mode of learning, the problem will be solved. Even then, if it is felt that the load of the syllabus on the primary school children is extreme, reduction of syllabus will be the only step to be adopted. We have come to the final subheading, that is conclusion. William Blake, in his poems included in Songs of Innocence and Songs of Experience, have indirectly tried to voice his view that childhood is the time for enjoyment and for optimum mental development. However, since in the present scenario of cat and mouse race, once again you have to make a correction here. Sorry, there is no need to make the correction. I am once again repeating the sentence. However, since in the present educational scenario cat and mouse race is seen everywhere, the pressure of syllabus on the school children, especially at primary level, is going up day by day. So, if the children have to be given total development, reduction of weight of their school bags has to be done at an urgent basis. This was what I had to say about the topic. Now, your work is not over yet. So, that's why I would tell you to go to the next slide. After all, this is my answer, not your answer. So, I would advise you to avoid the practice of commit and vomit. So, my suggestion would be that you must edit this answer. You must add some points, delete some sentences also if you like so. Since whatever I have written from my own thought. You can use any source, any e-source, any printed book, whatever you like for doing the work of editing. Now, after you have edited, jot down the points in your own way. You must give your subheading of the essay as you like. And after you have jotted down the points, you must write down the essay. And after you have written the essay, your job is done. You are confident that you have got some points from this video presentation. You have added something of your own. So the final answer is your own. So congratulations on having prepared something of your own. Be confident that if you practice essay writing at a regular basis, it will never become a hurdle so far as competitive examination is concerned. Before I conclude, I would like to tell you that subscribe to my channel, share my video presentation to your friends, comment your opinion and put forward your queries. Thank you. See you again in my next video presentation. Thank you.